The time has come for an up-to-date machine, such as the Pro Mover by King Machine Company. If your business involves moving monuments or other heavy items across the terrain or up and down hills, you should consider the Pro Mover. This machine will change the way you do these very strenuous tasks and will do them with much less effort, much more quickly, and also safer than the common manual method. If you are tired of pushing, pulling, and shoving stones, the Pro Mover is the answer. Most loads are carried with the Pro Mover in the horizontal position, as shown here. The steering handle has a thumb-operated forward and reverse switch. The operator simply steers the machine with the handle and walks safely behind. The load-carrying tires are 4.5-inch by 14-inch pneumatic and will carry your load in most soil conditions without tracking. The Pro Mover is powered by a 1.3 horsepower, 12-volt electric gear motor. The current is supplied by a 525-amp marine battery. This will allow a full day of setting between battery charges. The double drive belts run on a pulley mounted to the differential on the machine. The 1-inch axle shaft is mounted in 4 flange blocks with ball bearings. The swivel tire at the rear is 4.5 inches by 10 inches in diameter and can be easily removed if you desire. The clutch engagement handle is easily accessible to the operator. Releasing this clutch will disengage the drive mechanism and allow the cart to be moved manually. These two men have set a 4608 stone with their Pro Mover. As you know, that stone will weigh over 1,250 pounds. The 16-inch setting height of the machine gives the most leverage possible to set the stone with the least amount of effort. The drive system serves as a brake to hold the cart in place as you tilt the die into position. The Pro Mover has been successfully used to haul massive weight up and down steep hills. Of course, the grade of the passable incline is in direct proportion to the weight of the stone and the soil conditions. You may be more familiar with the dual wheels on manual carts, but these are designed for the ease of pushing more than for the support of the weight. Your good judgment must be used for the safe operation of the unit, but you can very definitely haul more weight with greater ease and in a much safer manner with a Pro Mover than with a manual operated cart. Our competent and experienced people assemble the Pro Mover to stringent standards of quality, all the way from the paint thickness to the torque specifications on each bolt. These machines come with a complete warranty to assure you that you are getting the finest equipment available. The machine frame has a bridge beam type construction. It weighs 213 pounds. This weight is close to the pivot point and actually adds very little to the lifted weight of the load. The steering handle is easily removable if you desire. The Pro Mover measures 61 inches from the bottom of the cradle to the tip of the handles. To ensure that your stone is protected from scratches, plastic strips are attached to the contact surfaces of the Pro Mover. It is 31 1/4 inches wide, allowing you to get into those narrow spaces. You can load your trailer with the use of ramps in some cases, or you can easily load your Pro Mover into our optional carrier mount, which is adjustable and will fit into a receiver hitch mounted on the front or rear of your vehicle. With this carrier, you will have very little weight to tip up to the vertical hauling position. The unit is strapped in and you're ready to move to your next site. The labor savings, proven reliability, and low price of the Pro Mover make it a justifiable purchase for your equipment inventory.